Hello everyone, I'm one of the developers working on the VSYS blockchain project, and I'm here to talk about a recent project of ours, a payment channel protocol called xLumi. I'd like to just demonstrate how it works and how it could empower app development. So what is xLumi? xLumi is a unidirectional payment channel protocol built on the VSYS smart contract system. Payment channels are used for users to take transactions off-chain, saving them on transaction fees. So data on blockchains are stored forever, which requires transaction fees to store this data, since otherwise very useless information would be stored. Taking transactions off-chain has twofold advantage. First of all, it saves the user transaction fees, and secondly, it lightens the data load on the blockchain itself. So what is the problem that we're trying to solve with xLumi? I think ease of use was at the front of our minds during the development of xLumi. I think in terms of payment channel protocols, there are other protocols that exist that are very useful. For example, the payment channels used on the Lightning Network, on the Bitcoin network. So a lot of blockchain innovation happens on the Bitcoin network since it is the most widely used blockchain. But unfortunately, Bitcoin has a very, very simple scripting language, which means that any protocol built on Bitcoin usually has very complicated workarounds to keep things secure. For example, the Lightning Network uses a payment channel called the punishment payment channel, which requires users to store an extra signature for every transaction made. For a protocol that is meant to solve the blockchain scalability problem, it doesn't make sense for the memory storage to scale with the number of transactions. xLumi was made to be very easy to implement and still easy to use, and it doesn't scale with the number of transactions. So what is a smart contract and how does it work in xLumi? So a smart contract is code stored on the blockchain that acts as an agreement between two users. Compared to a traditional contract requires third parties such as lawyers or judges or other humans to enforce the agreement between the two parties, whereas a smart contract does this all automatically through code.